if you can share briefly your experience of the program. Okay,
Yeah.
in just a few words. So Naval ma'am's already said yes. So Naval ma'am, I'm spotlighting you. Can you just share in brief how has been your experience of this program and what
Yeah,
benefits
sure.
if you have seen?
Sure. Yeah. When I joined this program, I was my main intention was good health, mental and physical as well, and that was the only intention, and spiritual as well. And when we joined, in the beginning it was fine. Then I was a bit scared and all that, thinking that whether I would be able to do it or not. But with Nina ma'am, your inspiration, your guidance, and your support, I got over myself, hold of myself, and I started doing everything. And I'm so pleased today. I'm so happy that I joined this program. And I would advise other people as well to join this program if they are really interested in their physical as well as mental health. Really, thank you, the whole Avisa team, for their support and guidance. And but special thanks to Swamiji that he had all the videos and we saw, and the way he explained everything, even yesterday's video, that was amazing. His guidance is really good. I mean, I would say that he has dedicated his life towards mankind. I really appreciate whatever Swamiji is doing to help others. Thank you very much. I feel more energetic. I told you last week that my maid is on leave for nearly 2 weeks now, and I'm managing everything, but I don't feel breathless or annoyed or anything. I have become more calm as well. Like before, I used to get irritated if I can't do things on time and all that, as I'm very particular about timings and all that. But after doing this program, I see a good change in myself. Uh, I have become particular to do these kriyas in time, as I feel that I benefited a lot from that. My acidity is also has reduced, and overall my health, I feel a great change.
Wonderful, ma'am. So Gauri Shankar Takri, with your 2 thumbs up, next is your number. चलिए आप बताइए आपके लिए कैसा रहा है ये एक्सपीरियंस. अनम्यूट कीजिए. कैन यू अनम्यूट? हाँ, हो गया.
Hey, ma'am.
नमस्ते.
How are you?
बस आई एम गुड. आप बताइए आप कैसे? आपकी मुस्कुराहट तो बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
एक्चुअली ना मैम, जब वो मीटिंग में ज्वाइन किया उस टाइम मेरा 2 वो नीना फूल गया था और 1 महीना नहीं उठा था, और जो बैक पेन एंड स्पाइन पेन में. बट जब मैं देखा और जो पहला मैसेज गुरुजी पहले आए थे ऑनलाइन समझाने के लिए, उस टाइम में डिसीजन ले लिया कि मैं करूंगा, ज्वाइन करूंगा. ज्वाइन करने के बाद जब हमारा क्लास शुरू हुआ, 1 हफ्ता के बाद ही मेरा नी का पेन ना गायब हो गया. नी का पेन पूरा गायब. बट अभी ना हमारा जब स्पाइन में और कमर में थोड़ा पेन है, बट इतना नहीं जितना पहले था, इतना नहीं, बहुत छूटा है. और मैं कंटिन्यूस करता हूँ, क्रियाज करता हूँ, बीच में कभी भूल जाता हूँ. बट मेरे को ये तो फिजिकल मतलब रिलैक्सन मिल गया मेरे को. फिजिकली मैं ठीक हुआ, मेंटली थोड़ा भी मैं पूरा वीक था. क्योंकि मेरी एक बेटी है और मैं ऐसे गिर गया था, मतलब ऐसे बेड में था. जब उसी टाइम ना आप जो जैसे सिखाते हैं, जैसे टीचिंग करते हैं और जैसे हंसाते हैं, और मेरा मतलब है मतलब जूम में ना समी जी को और आपको देखने से ना मेरा शरीर में एनर्जी आ जाता है और मैं कर लेता हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा. ऐसे ही मुस्कुरा के करिए बस.
मेरे को लगता है कि नहीं, मेरी मम्मी मेरे को सिखा रही है. मैं मैसेज भी एक बार किया था.
हाँ सर, बिल्कुल
मेरे को
बिल्कुल.
सिखा रही है. तो मैं बेनिफिट हुआ हूँ, फिजिकली बेनिफिट हुआ हूँ, मेंटली बेनिफिट हुआ हूँ। इसके बाद ना जो जो भी ऐसा पेन में गुजर रहे हैं, मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को देखो, मैं कैसे ड्यूटी जा पा रहा हूँ। अभी मैं उस टाइम ना नहीं जा पा रहा था, बट अभी मैं ड्यूटी जा रहा हूँ, काम कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं ना मेंटली फिजिकली पूरा मेरा इम्प्रूव हुआ है, बहुत इम्प्रूव हुआ है।
So my journey started with this. The first day, the Swamiji's session itself, I had huge pain here, my teeth and my head always. So with that session, the first session when he made us do that Prakriti Shul Kumbha, something got released here. So I was so happy and I was waiting for something like this so I can be without medicines. So I just got hooked onto it and now I'm continuously doing it every day. And yesterday's session was also very nice. So I learned about, I had known various Trikattu and all those, but I didn't know the dosages in which we had to take. So that was the way I learned a lot of things. And I'm sure I can take care of my body very well without medicines. And I was not sure what I had because my mother had told me until the menopause is over, don't go to any doctor because they're suggesting 101 things. So she said, wait, let the body settle. So some of these things I have found out, but on my own, I had no way to, say this is what I had, this is the disease. But I had a lot of problems all over the left side of my body. Allergies were there, then the hands would swell up if I picked up weight. So I was doing exercises, but with this, I've become very confident now that I can take care. It's everything under my control. So that's a huge. And there's a lot of difference I have started doing. So there is change. Initially, that kamar band, I had a problem because the moment I used to wear it, I used to get pain all over my back. Now I got used to it and I really like wearing a kamar band. And Disha band and Disha band we always wear, so that was not a problem. Yeah, and the exercises are also very easy, so I found it very interesting, and it is a continuous motivation from your side and watching Swamiji's video. I think it was destiny that I got hooked onto it. So I am grateful, very grateful to Avisa Healing and Swamiji for this.
नमस्ते। ये अवीसा का जो प्रोग्राम है ना, वो मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स किए थे, लेकिन मैं कभी भी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं थी। जो ये प्रोग्राम है वो 9 weeks आई वाज वेरी रेगुलर एवरी डे एंड अभी भी मैं रोज यही बराबर सुबह में 7 बजे में ये सब कर लेती हूँ। इससे मुझे जो फायदा हुआ है ना, मेरी एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ गई है।
Deepa ji, first of all, Deepa ji is, if you don't mind me sharing, she's a doctor, a gynecologist herself, and she was kind enough to give her video testimonial of the session, So just briefly, Deepa ji, if you could just share in a couple of minutes what has been your health benefits for everyone. So those who have not received the benefits as of now are also motivated to continue.
So when I joined this program, I had a fall and I had severe knee pain. In spite of taking physiotherapy and all of that, I was, I had not found that many good results. So then I joined the program, seeing a YouTube video, and once I saw that, I could, only with the stretching exercises, I could find a little bit of betterment in my knee pain. So then once I joined the course on day 1 of spinal problem I didn't have, but because I was bedridden of the knee issue, I had developed the back pain and all of that. So then on the first day, once after once I did the Kriya, when I did the, the Muladhara,
Anal
hold the-
lock.
At that point in time, when I did that, it was immediately I could feel when I inhaled and exhaled, I could feel that, there was cooling in my system. I don't know what it was, whether body is heat body or cold body, मेरे को पता नहीं. But then after I did the breathing, technique, immediately there was cooling in my system and I felt really good. And the second I did all the Kamarband and Dishaband and all of that, there was from 0 to, I can say, like 5% betterment, so without doing anything, without taking any, other precautionary measures, such little things had bettered my, the knee pain and all of that. And also, I was not able to climb the steps when before joining this thing. In the sense, I was climbing, but then it was, always with pain. So with these kriyas only, I could climb this thing. You in the starting of the course only, you could see I was sitting on the chair. Then slowly, as the course progressed, I started sitting on the floor, and now sitting on the floor was a tedious process for me. I would start having immense back pain, and my hip region and all would start hurting really bad. So as this thing program progressed, I could sit down. Even now, if I'm lying down on the floor and all of that, I don't have that much of a pain. Of course, there is pain, but on a scale of 1 to 10 or 0 to 10, I am 60% or 70% better, and I'm feeling really good. Even all the detox, whatever they have, you guys have suggested, all of that has benefited me. I within 9 weeks, this much of a difference has happened. So I can just imagine, like, if I do it for like a year, what all changes will happen. Even my digestion has improved, my skin is glowing, my energy is improved. I have become completely balanced, and there's a focus in things. It's I'm able to focus better. If I was also having brain fog, because of busy life schedule and all the pains and all of that, brain fog was there. That also has gotten corrected. So there's a lot of things that I have benefited, but of course there is slow and steady growth has happened. It's not like suddenly it just happened, but I was continuous. I cannot do the exercises in the morning because of my schedule, but I do it in the evening during this time only.
Yeah, I remember in the class also during question answer session, you would start off with your kriyas. I could watch that. Yes.
That I not missed. In case if I'm doing one part of the program in the morning, sometimes if I was having time, I would do it in the morning, because it literally energizes me to the next level. The second I do it, no, it really energizes me to the next level. So I would do one part in the evening. So that way, I have been regular. Regularity is the must, and plus the detox, whatever you have suggested, that I'm doing. I am not using any products, outside products at all. Like literally, I'm not using at all. So the sensitization of my skin has improved to next level. Like little things also, like smell, taste, and all of that has improved, which I would not have that much of sensitization earlier on. So I am really grateful to Swamiji and you, Neena ma'am. You've been like, I don't know, the pillar of this program, and you have like literally, I think you've boosted our confidence and energy levels to another, grade. So
No, I think it's, sharing of your journey boosts, because in a class group, I'm sure we have participants who are wondering, will it really work for me? So when they hear it from you, when you also hear it from other participants, that's what makes you believe that it works. And Deepa, I'm so glad because you shared this. You also shared that you've been totally off all your painkillers, which you were popping off and on.
Yeah. I was taking, because of the pain, I need to get around with the day and all of that. So I was taking a lot of anti-inflammatories and all of. Morning one, it was like one chocolate for me, Morning one, evening one. So, matlab, it was a regular thing. And the first week, 4-5 days, I've taken the anti-inflammatory because I had to do the exercises, and obviously fitness was there. I am a regular gymming person. I used to go for my walks. I'm doing yoga, like alternative kind of a thing. I'm not a person who's sitting
Sedentary.
not having a sedentary lifestyle, and plus even my schedules are also really hectic. So in spite of that, there was tightness in the joint to another this thing. My right hip was so tight when I started doing the with the breath hold and release only. I could feel a lot of relief. I could feel that there are changes already. So I don't know, people. I'm really this thing grateful to God that I am finding relief with such a kind of a program. Others also, I don't know. I cannot tell.
So we
anything.
all have our journey, Deepa. That's
So,
true. So we'll have our journey. तो
Yes.
हम लोगों का किसी का
I-
होगा?
Everybody also finds the same relief, and they get better, because at the end of the day, everybody should be healthy. That is my prayer to everybody.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Thanks, Deepa. Thank you so much.
So what I wanted to tell is बीमारी बढ़ने के लिए इतना साल जो लगा है, घटने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त तो लगेगा. तो अगर यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू एक्सरसाइजेस, आपको रेगुलरली करने को नहीं हो रहा है, जो हो सकता है आप करो, सो दैट आई एम नॉट प्रोमोटिंग, किसी को भी मैं प्रमोट नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट मेरे अंदर जो डिफरेंसेस आया है उसको देख के मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आप करो जो कुछ भी जितना भी होता है, एंड आई फील कि आप बेटर होंगे, बिकॉज ब्रेथ oxygenation of each and every cell of the body is the key to getting healthy. तो अगर आप ये कुंभक प्रैक्टिसेस करोगे तो ऑक्सीजन कंटेंट विल इंक्रीज इन द बॉडी, प्लस यू नीड टू हैव डाइट कंट्रोल, और आपका फिजिकलिटी लेवल जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो ना, थोड़ा बहुत वॉक्स करो उसके साथ, तो आप सपोर्ट जितना करोगे इन चीज़ों का, आप बेहतर बनोगे. तो ये आपका जर्नी है, जो बीपी शुगर इतना साल लगा है बढ़ने के लिए और ये होने के लिए, तो खत्म होने के लिए तो थोड़ा तो वक्त दो. डोंट लूज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, डोंट लूज दैट पॉजिटिविटी कि आपको नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं होगा करके. जस्ट गिव इट
Just
योर
be
ऑल.
at it. बिल्कुल.
जस्ट गिव इट योर ऑल, एंड उसके साथ ही साथ आप खाना खुना और एक्सरसाइजेस, खुश रहो बस, उसके साथ यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग बेटर.
Yeah. महेश सर, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? महेश सर, यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम पैरालिसिस, मुझे याद है, और आपने पहले ही दिन क्लास में कहा था कि मैम मेरा राइट साइड का जो हाथ है, राइट का ना, वो काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, मैं कैसे कमर में हाथ डालूंगा. या अभी बताइए सर, कैसा हालत है?
बस आपको देख करके सब ठीक है एकदम.
जी सर.
आपको देख के एनर्जी आ जाता है.
चलिए, वो तो बहुत बढ़िया है सर, मेरी भी एनर्जी आप सबसे आती है. बट इफ यू वुड लाइक टू टेल अस कि पहले कैसी स्थिति थी आपके हाथ की?
पहले से
आपका
जिस समय मैं ज्वाइन किया था उस समय मैं चल नहीं सकता, लेकिन अब तो 100% चल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
अब तो सीढ़ी कर रहा हूँ, उतर रहा हूँ, ऊपर जा रहा हूँ, नीचे आ रहा हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. और डायबिटीज भी मेरा कंट्रोल है, बहुत ही अच्छा है.
और मुझे याद है आपने कहा था कि आपका हाथ ऐसे फिक्स था, उंगलियां हिलती नहीं थी.
जी
कुछ आप बता रहे थे ना, हाथ में वो मूवमेंट आ गई है अभी पूरी.
हाँ, ये पूरा मूवमेंट है.
पूरा मूवमेंट.
हाँ, ये तो
पूरा movement.
ऐसे था, ये था ऐसे. तो पूरा एक्सरसाइज कर ली.
बहुत बढ़िया महेश सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes, सबसे पहले I would like to thank Swami ji and you for being the guru and guiding us through all this. हर एक चीज के लिए गुरु की जरूरत होती है. Without that, it is not possible to learn any new thing. And I am very much thankful to you. Specifically, your instructions whenever I do my kriyas these days, I always, if my smile fades, I'm like, okay, no, Neena ji says smile वापस आना चाहिए. Specifically when you're focusing on anahat. So that keeps me motivating. And with regards to my condition, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis a few months back, like last year in September, October. And I was not able to stand up, and I was on steroids basically so that I can do my regular work. And I'm not in India, so I'm staying alone here in Europe. So it is difficult to manage everything on my own. And my mother, who got to know this program, she asked me to do this and try doing this because I'm a spiritual person and I trust Ayurveda a lot. So in that case, I started doing this, though I'm not regular. But one day when we were doing this practice on Thursday, and we did that cat and cow thing, I was having like bad pain in my right knee. And that day, I don't know, something happened, and I felt so damn relieved. Before I need to catch hold of something when I get down the stairs. Couldn't get down the stairs. I had to take lift because if I fold my leg, then it used to pain. But that day, after doing this, I went for a walk in the evening. I got down the stairs, and I was surprised that I did not catch hold of anything to get down, and it was easier. And I felt suddenly something is released in my knee. So from that day, I'm trying to make an effort to somehow include this. So morning में उठने के बाद do karanyasa, in the evening after office do vinyasa, try to do vinyasa and then take bath and do kumbhak, something like this. I'm trying to incorporate it. So like these are the minor things that I noticed. And another thing is the way my breath is reacting to breathing patterns are reacting to these kriyas is, I think, very basic thing I found is very useful. Specifically when they say your right nostril, when it should be active, left nostril active, and slowly that breathing is coming into sync. That is another important thing that I noticed. And another thing is I had bad allergic reactions with pollen and dust. So here in Europe, specifically when there is spring or autumn, I get crazy sneezing, runny nose, and I cannot breathe. I need to take nasal spray. Without that, I cannot work. So every 2 hours, 3 hours, it was crazy. And if there's no nasal spray, my day is like screwed up. But after slowly doing this, I'm also doing meditation in the night before going to bed, and that helped me a lot. And this year, for a change, spring season, I'm not having any allergic issues as such. I went through the pollen, and there was a lot of pollen. I thought like my day is screwed now. I'm not able to sleep in the night. But raat ko I did not take any nasal spray. I was fine. Only 2 or 3 sneezes, and then it was fine. So these small changes, when I realize, when I see that those changes in my body, specifically when I sit in the night for the meditation, the way my body is reacting, that is giving me every day a new motivation. No, I should like strictly incorporate this in my lifestyle. And I'm sure this will benefit me to a larger extent in the coming months and coming years, for sure. And thank you very much for your guidance. I always remember your words whenever I close my eyes. Like every instruction of yours, do not open immediately, do not open your eyes after kriyas immediately, keep smiling. And I always have that in my ears. So thank you very much for everything.
Thank you, Sonal ji. Wishing you all the best. Yes, life is
Thank
tough
you.
abroad,
Yes.
but yeah, you'll. Usha ma'am, you want to say something? Hanji?
Yeah, the last dhauti that you said, no, the doing like this. That is so relaxing. I don't know why I find it so nice. I want to do it the whole day.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do whole day, 3 times, bus.
After doing 3 times, I feel so happy that I just want to do whenever I keep remembering, oh, I have to do dhauti like that.
Yeah. So this dhauti, Swamiji says, no, Western world has started punching the cushion. When you go to a therapist, they'll give you cushions and they'll tell punch the bags.